Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Monetary base question coming fast, and the key is spotting what counts as actual base money versus financial assets or debt instruments. The monetary base consists of the most fundamental money in the system, mainly physical currency circulating with the public and reserves held by banks, not every account balance or financial product. That makes currency in circulation a direct match because it is literally cash already out in the economy, so option C fits the definition cleanly and immediately. Savings accounts belong to broader money measures, while credit cards, mortgages, and mutual funds are debt or investments, not base money, so C wins. Well done! Option C! Scan now. The trap is rushing past definitions. The rule is trust what is given and check each step.